Evening, folks. NTV Chief Meteorologist Eddie Shear here with your weather after the weather. Quick look at your forecast for the next 24 hours and a bit more about what we can expect for Saturday. All coming up in this brief forecast for social media. FUTURECAST will take us through tonight, showing just a few flurries across Labrador by tomorrow morning, perhaps a few flurries across the south coast of the island as another weak low is going to cross near the Avalon as we go through Friday. This will more than likely bring a bit more in the way of that light snow, similar to what we saw today, although I think it's going to be a bit less. Looks like that's on the south coast and Burin Peninsula by tomorrow at 2 o'clock, and the best chance of flurries in the metro will be tomorrow afternoon from about 2 o'clock to drive time, lingering a little bit later for northeastern Newfoundland. That will all taper off tomorrow evening, and then our attention will shift to what we can expect as we go into Saturday and Sunday. Because of that, Environment Canada has issued a special weather statement. As it stands now, some snow will develop late Saturday, may mix with rain Saturday night on the Avalon and in the metro, and obviously some gusty winds are forecast with this. Snowfall amounts at most look like they're going to be in the 30 centimeter range, and I would peg that to be just west of the Avalon. On the Avalon, I think we see less because of some mixing issues, but it will all come down to track, and I'll have a better idea on that tomorrow. So be sure to check back then. Forecast for tonight, minus single numbers, teens and 20s across the province. Good chance of flurries in the south coast, west coast, and eastern Labrador and back into Happy Valley Goose Bay. Cold though in Lab City, minus 28. And then for tomorrow, minus 23 in Lab City, chance of flurries. Some scattered flurries across Labrador. And again, that light snow activity across eastern Newfoundland in the afternoon. And onshore flurries across the west coast through a good chunk of the day. Sunny, however, on the northern peninsula. So the big weather story is going to be what happens late Saturday into Sunday. I'll talk about that tomorrow. Until then, have a great night. Stay warm.